So here we are, the place we're gonna visit today, Dinosaur Park. Hi guys, this is Delcy here. This is Eric's wife. Today me and Eric have visited Lonavala and we found this exciting place called as Dinosaur Park. This is a place where you have different kind of dinosaurs in there. This is the entrance, and yes, you can visit here with your friends, family, and yes, loved one, like I'm visiting with Eric. And yes, it will be fun, I hope, because they say that they have 36 dinosaurs in there and the place is still under construction. But yes, I believe you have guides in there who can guide you through all the park and also the information about the dinosaurs in. Alright, so stay tuned. Let's start the journey. While I was just starting with my trip in here, that there is an Hollywood Wax Museum coming up over here. Right now it's under construction, but I believe it would be soon starting up. This is the entrance of the park, I mean the trip actually, and I can see there's one dino out there. We will be continuing the trip. Which is under construction, where shortly after a month or so when you'll come here, it will be operational. This is a place where they show you that how they dig the dinosaur fossils. If you see here. It's the rocket ejector. That's actually the bungee jumping. It's under construction right now. It will be start after few months. So this is the place where you have activities for kids as well as adults, which is still under construction. But yes, I believe activities like fossil dig and a few other activities would be here inside this beautiful place. Which Eric is wearing over here, so you can wear it just to get the feeling that you're actually in a dinosaur park, Jurassic Park kind of thing, isn't it? There's a feeling. Eric is very ready for the trip. This is Brachiosaurus.
That is live, huh?
They are herbivores. You can hear them. If you see, those are the eggs. This is amazing. Look at them. It only makes sound when you go near them. This is amazing. It's so real. next dinosaur is Saltosaurus. If you see, it has this weird kind of a boil thing on his body. So there he is. That's how he rose.
It's really moving because of sensors.
Oh, that's beautiful.
The tail is
They are actually herbivorous. Spinosaurus. If you see, there is something on his spine, so maybe it's Spinosaurus. If you see, it's a little bit scary. And yes, he is carnivorous. He eats flesh. Oh, this seems to be very scary. Oh, be careful. Oh, this moves. Oh. He looks hungry. If you see his ear, he's carnivorous. He looks a little bit scary, it seems. Oh, this looks very huge. There's a bridge over here. I hope they don't come and eat us. Oh. His name is Triceratops. This is an herbivorous. This is Iguanodon.
Iguanodon.
Oh, looks really scary. This is a whole lot of bunch of dinosaurs over here. The next one is Velociraptor. If you see, maybe he's protecting her eggs. Seems to be again really scary. Oh my god. This one is Shunosaurus. Looks so real. Focus. If you see him, he's very huge. Mamenchisaurus. They're really huge. One is Apatosaurus. See him over here. This is a place where you can come and get the knowledge how and what is inside the dinosaur's egg. You can click photos inside these eggs if you see. And yes, and this one seems to be awakened from the egg. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is Ruangosaurus. These are Stegosaurus. Lephangosaurus. That's the guy over there. And this is Ceratosaurus. Lephangosaurus, which we saw over there. He's trying to look at you. Oh, he seems a little bit angry. There's a new one over here, but we don't know the name. He's saying hi to you all. Entrance of the cave. Yes, let's follow Eric. Oh my god, look at it. Eric is not scared. That's the egg. Eric found eggs of snake. These are T-Rex. Look how huge they are. Look really scary. is the bird park. If you see, this would be the bird park, but it's still under construction, so you cannot go in right now. Strudon. Dino niches, another category of bird dino. So inside the park you'll find two things. One is the 9D motion cinema. That's actually a theater kinda where you'll find dino movie in 9D, and there's also a mirror magic. So you can enjoy this in very affordable prices. Both of the things are really amazing. Mirror maze entry. Oh, Eric is trying to find the way. Find in between these dinosaurs you have a fish spa, which is very affordable. If you can see, there are fishes in here which can clean your feet. You can enjoy this too.